ZabE here today with another ZabE Rocks. Today we're going to do a science demo. I always demo this one for the kids, and then there's a few takers to come up and give it a try. It's all about air and how strong air is. You know, a lot of times you talk about air and the kids are like, oh, you can't see it. I'm like, okay, you see the wind, see my hair blowing? There's the air on the move. Or like a tornado, just more really fierce air. So to get that point across, if you can come across a straw with no flexi, and if you could get a bigger straw, like maybe from the Golden Arches, they have those good big straws, that might be really a fun straw to try. And a potato. This potato we grew in our garden, a nice purple potato. Yay, we'll see how this goes. I've not tried it with a purple potato. I'm hoping that it will work just fine. So what I do is I show them the potato. Everybody's gonna feel that potato and go, oh yeah, that's really hard potato. And here's your straw. Now, can I, ZabE, get this straw through that potato? There's a lot of skepticism going on, but it can be done. So here we go. All you have to do is hold the potato. Make sure your fingers aren't behind wherever you're gonna jab the straw through, because that's just a painful experience. So maybe hold it, you know, something like that, so your hands are out of the way. And here's the trick. The trick is you have to put your thumb over the top of the straw so you can get that air to force it through the potato, right? This way, nothing really much is gonna happen. But this way, with a good strike, it should go through that potato. All right, here we go. Thumb on top, fingers out of the way. I'm gonna go right for the center, I'm hoping. Okay, I got a kind of 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice red potato. It's through all the way, and let's do it again with another straw. All right, I'm gonna try on this side this time. All right, and I didn't think about it dyeing red, but it certainly came out in a nice purple color right there. Dyeing purple. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. That one didn't go quite all the way through, but close. All right, I've taken out the other 2 straws so we could get a better look. This one didn't make it all the way through, but this one, right here, is all the way through to the other side. I'm not sure that I can get that in there, but it's all the way through. Let's try it again on this other potato. Once again, straw, potato, fingers out of the way, and a good hard strike. I think I like the potato on this side for some reason. Smoother. Okay, thumb on top. 1, 2, 3. Yay! All the way through. Straw through the other side. It can be done. And then you're going to want to have some takers to come up and give that a try to make sure you're not doing something sneaky to the trick here. Thumb on top. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, a good strike right there, all the way through. So the force of air is just amazing. Amazing that you can do that, to punch that through that potato. It's a great little demo, or it can be a whole class project if you have little older kids and can remember their fingers in the back. All it's involving is some straws, some potatoes. Pretty easy, pretty simple, great results. All right, everyone, give it a try. Please give me a like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.